The Dhardo Retreat Lodge is a private concern which is named after the first Dhardo Rinpoche, who happened to be one of the highly learned and influential chief abbots of Drepung Monastery in Lhasa, Tibet. Hailed from Tarsendu district of Tibet during the time of 13th Dalai Lama. He even changed his school of thought from Nyingmapa to Gelugpa sect. Therefore, the present Dhardo Rinpoche is the third in lineage of Gelugpa school. The Dhardo Retreat Lodge is situated at 13.5 mile Echhey on Rishi Road, 6 km from Kalimpong township on way to Algara. From the road head, a motorable road extends up to Lindovilla. From here, hardly half a minute walk through staircases to Dhardo Retreat. You can see on the small rock inscribed Om Mani Padme Hum and Bazar Guru mantras on this rock. Now you start ascending that staircase. You reach a small signboard written on a small piece of rock, Dhardo Retreat, and giving a direction to the Dhardo Retreat lodge. This particular piece of slab of the stone was collected from Pema Yingtse Monastery, which is a very special monastery in Sikkim. Now, if you proceed further up through staircase, then one will see a full view of Dhardo Retreat. 20 meters away on his left, an avocado tree laden with fruits. On his right, a small fig tree with cane jula hanging on it. When you proceed further, you will see a small signboard on the ground written Gossip Corner. You follow the path which leads to a small cozy enclosure with table and sitting for 2 to 4 persons, surrounded by yellow Japanese bamboos to enjoy tea, drink, etc. any time of the day. Then you proceed towards the main lodge and you will see garden umbrella sitting on the lawns surrounded by 3 feet wide path all over the compound with garden lights at intervals which will be illuminated at night time. You enter the lodge main hall. Besides, you will see a small art gallery, some fine arts collage paintings in oil and acrylic, and cartoons participated in international cartoon contest held in Japan from time to time, and some old realistic paintings of 45 years old which were exhibited in Kolkata, Birla Academy of Fine Arts, in Darjeeling with Himalayan Arts Academy, and in Kalimpong with KAA, Kalimpong Arts Association. One with serpent entwined on a bamboo, especially the serpent is carved out of a natural big creeper plant and painted some 46 years ago by the artist who won several prizes in public exhibition in Kalimpong. You will see the recent additions are work in Himalayan bamboo inscribed with Buddhist prayers and mantras titled Himalayan Bamboos with Prayers in the Ocean of Ignorance. Showcase collection of very old artifacts of 1880s of a famous astrologer by the name Lope Nyudo. This man was supposed to be a great-great-grandfather of the present Dhardo Rinpoche. He was not only astrologer, he was a very good priest of his time. Some of the artifacts which is displayed over here is his own handiwork, and some are made by his disciples of his time. You can see the very old hardboard displayed there, where the astrological numericals were calculated by him, and which is preserved for many years now. It is almost 30 years old. Now you come out of the hall and you'll see just outside the lawn, little distance away towards south, a landscape under a shade of renowned meditators of the bygone days. To begin with, Lord Buddha, a scene of Buddha Gaya and its surrounding areas during the time of Buddha, who renounced worldly life, became a monk and in search of moksha, nirvana, in the Niranjana river, forest, and then finally gaining enlightenment. Next, a scene of Revolser Lake, where Guru Padmasambhava and his consort Mandareva had an episode of meditating together on high caves, was burnt alive and followed by taking rebirth on lotus flower during the reign of King Ashudhara of Mandi, now in Himachal Pradesh, India. Then you proceed towards a bamboo thatched hut further south, which is located under a bamboo grove, where 6 to 8 persons can sit and enjoy tea, drinks, snacks, etc. in cool and quiet atmosphere. After this move, we move back to main lodge and see the ground floor room, which is supposed to be the larger room to accommodate 4 to 5 persons with attached bath and toilet. Then we move to the first floor, where you'll see a terrace veranda which is sitting on 2 sides with garden umbrellas. You enter the first floor room facing east, named Milarepa, a room to accommodate 3 persons with attached bath and toilet. Now to the exactly opposite side of the building, a room facing northwest called Atisha with 3 occupancies having attached bath and toilet. Now you move to top floor facing east room called Guru Padmasambhava. This room can have single double occupancy with attached bath and toilet and also a kitchen with gas. Now we move to the opposite first floor room called Tsongkhapa. This room is exclusively meant for a meditation, as the room has been made soundproof and darkens to suit the retreatants. Single or double occupancy with attached bath and toilet, and a small attached kitchen with gas and some utensils is provided. Now, to the interested visitors, you can directly contact through that Dhardo Retreat email address, which is lwangdibhotia@gmail.com, and the cell number is 9932915420, or even log on itbci.org. Thank you.